Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I learned a little something today about find and replace. I've always had trouble with it finding more than I wanted to find because I've got, there's 12 of these boats up here. So let's go to Edit and Find and Replace, and you go to Edit Query and double click on the tool, and then get your color eyedropper. So this has to be checked, uniform. Get your color eyedropper and let's pick that blue and then say okay. And then find all. Well, it found all of them. But I don't want to change all of them. So what you can do, if you had, a certain amount you wanted to find, and you could, in this case, it wouldn't really matter because you can click on it and change the color. But in other scenarios, if you select that boat, hold down the shift key and select that boat, and that boat, and that boat, and then go right here to your search range and click on selected, find all, it only changes the one that you had selected. So that's under the search range right here. You have to have something selected first for that to pop up. If nothing is selected, it won't be, you can see where it cannot be changed. But as soon as you select something, so let's say we're going to make these two a different color. Well, I must have hit something wrong. Let's select this one, hold down the shift key and select this one. Fine, selection, that's what I didn't do. And then make it that green or yellow or whatever you want to do. So in this particular case, it's not going to be that big a deal. But if you had these intermingled parts where you wanted to check, the certain color and do that, this would help you. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.